Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery inside of a key fob for the Ford Fiesta, the 2011 model. Alright, let's just jump right into it. So to get started, you want to press down both of these buttons so it unhooks this part, then you just take this off, and that's easy. You could take out this key just to give you a little bit more leverage for this, and then now you can go like this and press down on these same areas again. You can see that there's this little lip here, so you can try to get your fingernail in. And this actually works for me really well. You could try to stick this key area in too to help give a little bit more leverage, or even like a flathead screwdriver. But this is the side that you're going to want to be able to take off. You could work down here, but it is way harder. So I find just using my fingernail actually works incredibly well. And especially when you use two fingernails at the same time. So I'm going to press down with one hand. I'm going to try to get my fingernails inside here and then pry it out, kind of pushing with my other hands. And then now you can see that there's this lip here. So now I can take this whole piece off. And there you go. So there's this side. This is like where the electronics press the buttons. And then here's the battery. So you can take the battery out just by like pressing down on this top part and then prying it out like that. You could use like a tool as well, but it works pretty easily. The middle step is definitely the hardest. Now you can put the replacement in. So like you just have to push it against this. And then it should just fit in snug like that. Same thing, you want to put it back the same way you got it. And then you can put the key back in. Alright, that's it for me. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to give it a like, and please subscribe to my channel to see more great guides just like this. I love helping people out, and it'd be great if you help me out by giving me a sub. Have a great day everyone. Cheers.